As per the latest reports, people in remote areas of Jammu will soon be provided with helicopter services to reach their remote homes during the winter. The administration has planned to launch helicopter service for Chenab Valley and Pir Panjal region of Jammu province to help residents reach their remote homes during winter. It will also offer an opportunity to travelers to travel to remote areas. The Provincial Commissioner has asked the Deputy Commissioners to appoint Nodal Officers and check the designated helipads in their districts with Global Vectra Helicopter's technical team. The Provincial Commissioner has directed Global Vectra Helicopter to explore online ticket booking for the convenience of the public. The Joint Director of Tourism is reportedly in charge of coordinating with Global Vectra Helicopter for smooth services.